In the pursuit of a successful life, qualities such as skills, intelligence, and good nature are undoubtedly valuable assets. Yet, while these qualities can propel you forward, they alone may not be enough to lead you to riches. The often quoted notion that less than 20% of the population earns over 80% of the money underscores a reality that is not mere happenstance. The key question then emerges: what distinguishes the wealthy from the less affluent? The answer resides in the habits that the affluent have cultivated over time. These habits, seamlessly woven into their daily routines, have become second nature to them. Astonishingly, these principles are so straightforward that nearly anyone can master them. So today, I'll take you to mastering the habits of the wealthy. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Starting a course with goal setting. The capacity to envision and pursue goals is a hallmark of the wealthy. Unlike their counterparts who navigate life aimlessly, the affluent meticulously chart their trajectories through goal setting. Their objectives span short-term, mid-term, and long-term horizons, imbuing their actions with purpose and direction. The process commences with the formulation of short-term goals, which encapsulates achievements within a week, month, or quarter. Mid-term goals encompass aspirations projected over the span of 3 to 5 years, while the expanse of long-term goals extends to a decade or more. Documenting these goals and regularly evaluating progress lends to a sense of accountability for their pursuits. Number 2. Cultivating meaningful relationships. Mastery in relationship building constitutes a cornerstone of affluence. Relationships are woven into every facet of the wealthy's lives, commencing with mentorships that provide guidance and illumination during formative career stages. Partnerships and collaborations serve as catalysts for expansion, while fostering connections with employees, suppliers, and customers underpins operational success. The value of nurturing interpersonal bonds cannot be overstated. A caring disposition towards employees nurtures loyalty, while mutually beneficial partnerships flourish through reciprocity and respect. The ability to recognize birthdays and acknowledge anniversaries also amplifies the fabric of connection. Relationship building, often mistaken as a talent for extroverts, is a skill open to all. So shedding the veil of shyness, investing in self-improvement through literature and seminars, and embracing the art of forging connections propels individuals closer to the realm of affluence. Number 3. Crafting a distinctive image through dressing. Appearances, as the adage suggests, can indeed be deceiving. The manner in which you present yourself holds considerable influence over initial perceptions. The rich recognize the significance of this first impression and invest effort into crafting a suitable image. While exuding opulence may not be within immediate reach, cultivating a sense of style and grooming can significantly impact how you are perceived. Your attire serves as a nonverbal expression of your personality and professionalism. Even if financial constraints exist, dressing appropriately and exhibiting a keen fashion sense can communicate self-respect and attentiveness. Align your attire with your career, ensuring that your appearance reflects your role and responsibilities. By planning your outfits in advance and maintaining an organized wardrobe, you mitigate the stress of last-minute decisions and functionality concerns. Ultimately, a well-considered wardrobe not only elevates your image, but also underscores your commitment to success. Number 4. Mastering the art of budgeting. Financial acumen lies at the core of the wealthy's success. Their approach to money is characterized by meticulous planning and unwavering discipline. Budgeting is a cornerstone habit that empowers them to take control of their finances. Instead of leaving money matters to chance, the affluent create comprehensive financial plans that encompass both income and expenditures. While you may not be enthralled by numbers, the essence of budgeting lies in recording and living within your means. Begin by tracking your monthly earnings and expenditures. Account for every aspect, from rent and transportation to food and entertainment. While the precise percentages may vary based on individual circumstances, adopting general guidelines can provide structure. Allocate no more than 25% of your earnings to housing, 15% to food, and limit entertainment expenses to around 10%. Additionally, designate a portion for vacations, auto-related costs, and emergencies. The rule of thumb is to save at least 20% of your income for future investments and contribute as much as possible to a retirement plan. By adhering to these principles, you can cultivate financial stability that lays the foundation for prosperity. Number 5. Early rising. The practice of waking up early is one of the hallmarks of the affluent. This seemingly simple habit harbors profound benefits. Rising early affords individuals extra hours that can be utilized strategically. These precious hours can be dedicated to completing tasks that might otherwise clutter the day. Moreover, beginning the day on a positive note contributes to heightened productivity. It's important, however, to strike a balance between early rising and adequate rest, as both sleep and early mornings are vital components to a productive lifestyle. The wealthy often prioritize 6 to 7 hours of restful sleep, setting the stage for a day of accomplishment and vigor. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the ThriveWise love so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 6, reading and continuous learning. Rich individuals have an insatiable appetite for knowledge. Reading isn't just a leisurely activity for them. It's a means of learning and self-improvement. A remarkable statistic reveals that 85% of the affluent read around 2 books per month, with the purpose of enhancing their careers, education, or personal development. In stark contrast, a mere 12% of the wealthy read purely for entertainment. Another study highlights that 88% of the prosperous dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to reading, while the comparable figure among the middle class and poor stands at a paltry 2%. The profound implications of this habit are apparent. By absorbing knowledge from various sources, the affluent are constantly expanding their understanding, enabling them to innovate and adapt in an ever-evolving world. Embracing reading as a daily practice is an actionable step towards positioning oneself on the path to success. Number 7. Daily exercise. Physical well-being is integral to overall success, and this principle is very much embraced by the wealthy. The recognition that maintaining physical health bolsters mental acuity and endurance drives the affluent to commit to daily exercise. Notable figures such as Tim Cook, Apple CEO, and Anna Wintour, Vogue's editor-in-chief, demonstrate this dedication through their regular workouts. While not everyone has access to the same facilities, engaging in activities like running, cycling, or even brisk walking can jumpstart the pursuit of a healthier lifestyle. 30 minutes of daily exercise can yield remarkable results in terms of increased productivity, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Number 8. Mastering the art of time management. Time is an equal commodity distributed to all. It is transformed into an asset by the wealthy through effective time management. While each day comprises the same 24 hours, it is how these hours are harnessed that distinguishes the prosperous from the rest. Unlike many who merely conceive vague plans for the week or month, the affluent elevate their approach by meticulously scheduling their days. This proactive practice sets them apart. Rather than relying on a loose framework, the rich allocate specific time slots for each activity. They diligently adhere to these schedules, minimizing wastage and maximizing productivity. Emulating this practice can instill a sense of purpose, guiding your actions and safeguarding against aimless hours. A well-structured day serves as a compass, steering you towards your goals and propelling you closer to success. Number 9. Nourishing your health through wise eating. The adage "health is wealth" echoes with resounding truth in the lives of the wealthy. Acknowledging the profound impact of a healthy lifestyle, affluent individuals vigilantly monitor their dietary choices, often seeking guidance from medical professionals. The intrinsic connection between health and productivity is well understood. Persistent health challenges can disrupt work schedules and interpersonal engagements. Cultivating a diet that fuels productivity and safeguards well-being demands self-discipline. The choices you make at mealtimes reflect your commitment to a vibrant and fulfilling life. Opting for a salad over a burger or choosing water instead of beer exemplify the manifestation of self-discipline. By fostering a conscious approach to nourishment, you empower yourself to sustain peak performance, ensuring that your journey towards prosperity remains unhindered. Number 10. Cultivating wealth through strategic investments. Continual growth defines the ethos of the affluent, a sentiment mirrored in their approach to investments. Understanding that stagnation is anathema to prosperity, the wealthy consistently explore avenues to expand their financial portfolios. The reservoir of savings they have were carefully nurtured through disciplined practices, and they now become a resource for strategic investment. Investments, however, requires acumen. Blindly channeling resources can lead to costly missteps. So, educating oneself on investment strategies is imperative. Leveraging resources such as bonds, mutual funds, stocks, real estate, and joint ventures necessitates sound knowledge. Factors such as the magnitude of investment influence the choice of investment, and seeking proper training mitigates risk and could undermine the growth of financial assets. Well, that's basically mastering the habits of the wealthy. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.